Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Till now, we have completed 3 prose lessons and 2 poems. Today, we are going to learn a prose lesson, that is Dear Diary, Countdown to Republic Day. Part 2. All of you watch the video along with me. You put your finger and read along with me. Try to understand the lesson by seeing the videos and photographs. Thank you. 26 January 2015. The big day is finally here. It is wet and cold today. We reached here early in the morning and are waiting for the parade to begin. There is so much to see and hear. I can hardly breathe. See, at the end, 26 January came, it seems. Finally they reached the place and they wanted to perform their dance, it seems. All are people waiting in the parade. There is so much to see, everything is there, but she is having confidence and also she is having some tension how it will be complete my task. Okay, next. The children who won the National Bravery Awards are here. This year, 8 girls and 16 boys are receiving the award. They will ride on elephants in the parade. One of them is just 8 years old. See, every year on the Republic Day, our president will give awards to the winners and some children also they will get some awards, it seems. In this National Bravery Award also they are giving. In this 8 girls and 16 boys are there. In this one of the boy or girl not given, he is having just he or she is having just 8 years only, it seems. Next, oh, I can hear the national anthem. The parade will begin soon. The armed forces look very smart in their uniforms. There is a camel mountain regiment. See here, this picture is there now. See, everything she already said. There is so much to see and hear. So like that only here, so much is there. Correct, no? Oh, national anthem is starting now. She wanted to hear, it seems, and these are the activities are there. She is anxiety to see everything. We'll go to next page now. Wait, children. Only one in the world now. The cannons and tanks are rolling along. Here come the floats with their gigantic mannequins and moving parts. They look fantastic. Dear students, did you observe here tanks, cannons? These all are the things will be used in the war by our soldiers. See, one more is sir, gigantic mannequins. Gigantic mannequins, nothing but huge. Gigantic means huge. Mannequins means models made of wood, paper and other things. These all are the other things by moving on the parade. See, all of you, observe all of you. These all are the mannequins. Right. At last it is our turn. I quickly take my place. Suddenly we are in front of the dais. I am feeling a little nervous. So many people are staring at us. Then the music starts and I forget everything as I laugh and run and dance. We have done a good job. No mistakes, but our lovely clothes are wet and sticking to us. See, at last what happened? She supposed to go to perform in front of the dais, it seems. So She is ready. Suddenly music started. She is feeling some nervous, it seems. All are in front of the dais. And the music starts and forget everything. She forgot everything and laugh, and immediately she went and stand in her allotted place, it seems. We have done a good job. Everything is perfect and no mistakes, but there is a little rain, it seems. That's why their clothes may be some wet and sticking to their body. Next, we run on, and behind us come the motorcycle riders from the border security force. They perform daring stunts on their bikes. Soon the Indian Air Force will perform a fly past in fighter planes, making tricolor stripes with smoke and showering rose petals on the audience. Before page, in the page number 35, already you watch that pictures, motorcycle riders and fireflies with tricolor. So after completion of this, they run behind and they stand and watching motorcycle riders. Border security force came, it seems. They perform daring stunts on the bikes paine. They perform very nice performance, and Air Force also will perform a fly past with tricolors. Okay, next, last, each of us has a little flag of India. I wave my flag as I march, feeling happy, content and proud. She is very happy and flying waving one small flag and enjoy the place, it seems. Jai Hind. I am proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are Indians, so we are proud to be the Indians. Thank you. Dear students, all of you understood, I hope, about Republic Day.